Opening day, we finally just parked. Got up at 9 a.m. and got some rum and cokes, you know. And now we're queuing up some dogs, with Bud Lights, and everyone else is at work today. That's the best part about it.
Tuesday.
Yeah. Tuesday.
First day of rain in, I don't know, a month?
Month or so. Yeah.
The forecast wasn't just showers, it was rain and thunderstorms.
It's thunderstorms today. I'm not wet. I don't know about you guys. There's sun on my shoulders right now.
So what do you got down here in the queue?
We got a couple bags.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we have probably turn those good.
Oh, we got the rings on them now.
Yeah, I like that.
Hey, we got a little time on these guys. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, these are good.
Let the tailgating continue.
This is tailgating San Francisco style.
Kamiani.
Well, we got Tim Lincecum on the mound. Opening day. First pitch of the season. Cy Young number 2, baby. Cy Young number 2. Here he goes.
First pitch.
First pitch of the 09 season. Here it is. Strike. Bam. Oh, it's high. 92. We'll take it.
Yeah.
It's high. Right. Watch the cheer for strike 1. Here it is.
This is just our first stop of the day in the ballpark, but yes.
On the bleachers. 92 on the radar. Strike 1. Hey Golden, you got a beer? Hey Golden, you got a beer?
What happened to your beers, Kamiani?
Well, I got might be a little warm. But my buddy Joe. So,
Hey, they don't sell those in here. Where'd you get that? And that?
they don't sell these? I swear I bought them. This is like $7.
Wow, that's a $7 little open there.
Yeah, usually you get a cup or something. Oh, here's a guy coming in. Is there?
One more strike left in the ballgame. One more strike. So what's been the highlight so far?
Highlights: 3 home runs by the Giants. We got Aaron Rowland with a 2-run shot. Randy Wynn hit a bomb. And who else?
Molina
Molina hit
solo shot.
3 home runs. Tons of offense today. Tons of offense.
What was this? How did you get to second? Defensive indifference?
What was it, Joe?
It was a pass ball. It was a shitty pitch.
Pass ball. Shitty pitch.
It was a shitty pitch.
Alright. Brings the count 4.
Full count. Full count. 2 outs.
Nice thing.
Yep, that's right. The Tigers stayed in Brewers. Full count. 2 outs.
There it is. Henshaws making his money.
Sit him down. Sit him down.
Oh. The Brew Crew stays alive.
Yep. Brew Crew is still alive. We're not worried. Are we, Joe?
Not worried. One more batter. One more batter's all it takes.
How many Ks do we have today? 10. That's right.
All
Lincecum.
All swinging. All swinging. No looking.
Lincecum, 5 Ks, 3 innings pitched.
Only 5 Ks?
It looks like Joe Martinez is going to get the victory today.
Joe Martinez, rookie for the Giants with the win. We'll see.
The forecast was 80, right, I think it was 80% chance of heavy rain.
None rain.
Thunderstorms. So what happened today, boys?
Zero rain.
Zero
None
rain.
rain.
None rain.
None of it.
Hey, what was the final question? How many Ks did we have up there? 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11. So how'd the game end, Kamiani?
That's how many beers I've had today. 11. That's awesome, the number of strikeouts today.
How'd the game end?
Giants win. Opening day, 10-6.
Strikeout number 11 by Brian Wilson.